Hi, it's JP. Today we're going to learn how to balance your media use. Recently, an organization called the Center for Humane Technology teamed up with Moment, an app that tracks your screen time, to study whether using digital media for long periods of time affects people's happiness. After collecting data from about 200,000 iPhone users, they discovered that the more time they spent on their device, the more unhappy they felt. In fact, on average, the amount of time that causes people to feel sad more than doubles the amount that makes them feel the opposite. As alarming as that may sound, it should not be that surprising. After all, several sources claim that if you use media for too long, there can be severe consequences. For example, you could lose interest in activities such as sports or school, which in turn could decrease motivation and cause your performance, like your grades, to suffer. Using devices for too long could also lower your self esteem, make you feel grouchy or lonely, and lead to conflict with others. And finally, bending your neck while texting and sleeping late or not sleeping at all to continue checking your social media accounts can cause serious health issues. So, how can you avoid the negative effects of excessive media use? Well, for starters, don't use your phone when you talk to other people since that's rude. Also, don't respond to everything on social media because not everything is worth a response. And don't follow people or posts that can trigger negative feelings. And what can you do? First, you can prioritize your activities, including media use. Second, you can stand or sit up straight while using your device. Also, you can charge your phone in a different room when you go to bed to resist the temptation to use it at night. And finally, you can take a break from your device and make conversation with other people. Were you surprised at the results of the research? Have you experienced the negative effects of using your devices for quite a while? And will you consider the guidelines I just mentioned? If you practice them, you might just feel happier and healthier because you create a balance in your life. Thanks for watching and listening. I'll talk to you later.